Thinking about upgrading your gaming or workstation setup? Let's talk about the AMD Ryzen 9950X3D, a processor that's getting a lot of buzz among gamers and content creators. Is this CPU really as good as people say? Or is it just another hyped-up piece of tech? Let's break it down clearly and honestly. First, let's start with what matters most: the specs. The Ryzen 9950X3D packs 16 cores and 32 threads, making it ideal if you need serious horsepower for gaming, streaming, or heavy workloads like 4K video editing or 3D modeling. It handles multiple tasks effortlessly, allowing you to run games and demanding software simultaneously without any noticeable lag. A standout feature on this processor is AMD's 2nd-gen 3DV cache technology, which essentially stacks cache memory vertically to improve gaming performance significantly. With a massive 144 megabytes of combined cache, you're getting noticeably quicker load times and smoother frame rates in games. Additionally, AMD boosted the clock speeds, setting a solid base at 4.3 GHz with the ability to turbo up to 5.7 GHz. Translation: faster, smoother gameplay, and better overall responsiveness in everyday tasks. When we tested the 9950X3D in actual gaming scenarios, it delivered impressive results. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring ran incredibly smooth, even at max settings. In Call of Duty Warzone, we saw consistently high frame rates without noticeable drops during intense action sequences. On the productivity side, video editing, software compiling, and complex creative projects also benefited greatly, with rendering times noticeably shorter compared to previous gen CPUs. Another thing worth mentioning is the new Zen 5 architecture, which does help manage heat better than before. But here's the catch: this chip draws a fair bit of power, 170 watts to be exact. So it's a good idea to invest in reliable cooling, whether that's a beefy air cooler or a liquid cooling system, to keep temperatures in check. Of course, it's not all positives. With that higher power draw comes higher electricity use, especially if your PC runs non-stop. Also, price is something you should think about carefully. The Ryzen 9950X3D isn't cheap, and you'll want to weigh if the extra performance justifies the higher cost for your needs. So, is the Ryzen 9950X3D a worthy upgrade? If you're after the absolute best gaming performance, seamless multitasking, and a CPU that will remain relevant for years, it definitely deserves consideration. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward tech insights. Drop your thoughts on the Ryzen 9950X3D in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next review.